Hi, in this video we're going to talk about one of the custom prism layer settings called layer reduction percentage. When we generate a prism layer mesh, it can become necessary for the mesher to reduce the overall prism layer thickness due to corners, narrow gaps, a curved surface, or some specific local geometry. When this happens, it's preferable to thin the prism layers or reduce the number of layers in the prism layer just to maintain a few prism layer cells. The layer reduction percentage controls the point at which the number of layers will be reduced. For instance, in this example, we have a box touching a wall and we have a setting of 6 prism layers. When we mesh under the prism layer, we see layer reduction percentage is default set to 50%. When we mesh, we can see that we end up with 3 prism layers here in the gap on the top, and it looks like 4 prism layers on the bottom. Now, if we reduce the layer reduction percentage to 0, this means that we do not want it to reduce as much as it is with 50%. So let's see what happens when we volume mesh. When we change the prism layer reduction percentage to 0% from 50%, you can see that the reduction from the thick prism layer to the thin prism layer going through the gap is a much cleaner reduction. And you will also notice that instead of cutting out our cells, it actually maintains the same number of cells and doesn't reduce the number of layers. Previously, we had gone from 6 layers down to 3 or 4 layers. Now you can see both on the top and the bottom prism layers that we have maintained 6 prism layers throughout the entire gap that we have here. Thank you.